visible to everyone clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good morning,
morning.
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Very good morning to all of you. Children, you all know that we have in the last class, in the chapter Junk Sailor, we were doing the topic. Which topic we were doing? Who will tell me? Raise your virtual hand. What was our last topic? Yes, Granth. Can Dej Kumar tell us what was our last topic in this chapter which we were doing?
Ma'am, we were doing money rupees one topic. Rupees
Ma'am,
money.
ma'am,
No,
can I say?
no.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, yes,
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Anay,
profit and loss.
profit and loss. In which, Anay, can you tell us in which case you will earn the profit?
ma'am, I can.
Anay, can you tell us
Ma'am, minus.
in which case you will earn the profit? कब profit होता है आपको किसी भी चीज में? What is greater when you are earning the profit? Selling price is greater or the cost price is greater?
Ma'am, I can.
Ma'am, selling price.
Yes, selling price is greater when. So, what is the formula drive when we are earning profit equals to?
Ma'am, I can say.
Yes, Tej Kumar.
Ma'am, we will do a no C dot P plus profit.
You are calculating the profit. You know the selling price. You know the cost price. आपको पता है कि cost price थी for rupees 2 and the selling price is rupees 3. So, what is the profit?
5. Ma'am, we will add.
Add profit 5 हो जाएगा. Jigar Singh,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the profit in this case?
Yeah.
Cost price is the purchasing price is 2, selling price is rupees 3. What is the profit?
1.
Manya, yes, can you frame one? Is he correct? Jigar Singh is correct, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, he is correct. The answer will be
Yes.
3. So the formula is profit is equals to selling price minus cost price. So 3 minus 2, that is rupees 3, rupees 2, and answer is rupees 1. Okay, clear, students? Yes, Manya, can you make one story problem based on this, finding the profit situation?
Yes, ma'am. I bought a refrigerator for rupees 2,20,426.
2,20,426.
Yes, ma'am.
This is a bought price, cost price.
Yes, ma'am. I sold it for rupees 4,36,700.
So what you will do? What is the formula for finding the profit?
Its P's profit is equal to selling
Manya.
price.
Before you say something, I want to explain one more thing. Children, how to find whether in this condition there is a profit or loss. When selling price is greater, definitely it's a profit. When selling price is less than the cost price, then it's a loss. यहीं से compare कर लो. Selling price is 4,36,700. So in this case, there is a situation of profit. So you will write the formula of finding the profit. Profit equals to selling price minus cost price. So what is the profit, Manya?
Yes, ma'am. The profit is 2,16,274 is the profit.
Okay, 6 minus, okay, 4,36,700 minus 2,20,426. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 2 is 7. 6 minus 4 is 2. 6, 1, 2. Is the answer same?
it down, little bit down. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
2,16,274.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Correct, students. How to find the profit? Always remember profit की situation कब होगी? जब selling price greater है. Am I clear to you all? And जब selling price is less than the cost price, then it's a situation of what?
Ma'am, loss.
Yes, selling. So when we say the cost price is greater than the selling price, then this is the loss. And loss formula is loss equals to
CP
loss. Yeah.
cost price.
Mox, Nikare will tell me. CP minus selling price. So because जो बड़ा है वही पहले आएगा ना, बड़े में से छोटा पॉसिबल है लेस करना. तो the formula selling price greater है तो selling price पहले, cost price greater है तो cost price पहले. बस cost price अगर पहले minus कर रहे हैं तो there is a condition of loss. Till here everyone is clear? Can I move forward? Okay. Next comes find the selling price. Means selling price is not given, cost price and profit is given to you. So what is the formula? Selling price you know. Selling price you don't know. Selling price you need to find out. You know the cost price, that is rupees 739, and the profit is rupees 25. So what is the selling price?
Ma'am, we will minus.
Ma'am, we will
Raise your
plus.
virtual hand. Bhavya Sagar, what we will do in this case? Bhavya Sagar.
Yes, ma'am.
What you will do in this case? आपके पास cost price है जिस पे आपने खरीदा था, प्रॉफिट भी आपको पता है. तो जब प्रॉफिट पता है, कॉस्ट प्राइस पता है, तो कितने में आपने इसको सेल किया होगा? व्हाट विल बी द सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ दिस? Vedant, you tell me.
Ma'am, 750.
No.
Ma'am, 2 minutes, ma'am. Ma'am, I can.
Granth will tell me. Yes, Granth. First, tell me the formula of finding the selling price.
Ma'am, can I
Ma'am
say?
plus. Ma'am profit and CP plus.
Yeah, CP plus profit will be. So, what will be the answer?
Ma'am, may I say Manya?
No, when you are raising your hand, you will not say may I, may I. I will give you chance.
7. Ma'am
Yes.
759.
739 plus 25 is
764.
Ma'am, 764.
yes.
764.
So it will be 764. Got it, students? Go to the next topic. Here the profit was given. Now, what if when the loss is given? Selling price you don't know. Cost price is given. Suppose 475. Children, I am doing with the small number and I have taught you with the larger number also. You are also giving me, some students are giving me with the larger number example. It will come to the larger numbers maybe. So don't think we have learned only. No, we have covered all with larger number also, with small numbers also. Just if you know the concept, you can do with larger number also, you can do with the small numbers also. So if the cost price is rupees 475 and the loss on this product is rupees 40, so what is the selling price? Opposite of profit. जब profit था तो आप add कर रहे थे. Now Divit will tell me जब loss है तो क्या करेंगे?
Yes, ma'am.
और प्लीज नोट, इक्वल्स टू से पहले वही चीज आती है, वही सिंबल आता है जो हम निकाल रहे हैं. Here we are calculating the selling price. So we will write SP before the equal to sign. Whatever we are calculating will always come before the equal to sign. And whatever is given to us will always come after the equal to sign. Yes, Divit. Here you know the cost price, you know the loss of a product. What will be the selling price? Vishrut, Divit, mute yourself. And Divit, please start learning. Start practicing at home. Only coming in the class for 30 to 35 minutes is not enough. Yes, Vishrut.
Ma'am, to find the selling price,
Yes.
we have to plus 475 plus 40.
Loss, in the case of loss, you need to subtract. In the case
Yes,
of
sir.
profit, you need to add.
Yes, ma'am, minus. 5 minus.
So what is the answer?
Ma'am, 445.
45. Just check.
1 second, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, 435.
My dear, you need to only raise your virtual hand. I need to give the chance to each and every student. Raise your hands and be ready for the answers. I can ask from anyone. Now, profit is done, loss is done, selling price in both the cases done. In the case of profit, in the case of loss. Now, finding the cost price. This we are doing the revision of the concept which we are. Kashvi, congratulations that you are joining your class 15 minutes late. Can you turn on your mic? I want to talk to you. My dear, you don't know the class timing, bacha?
ma'am, because I was doing something else, that's why I've not seen the time.
You don't know the what is the which class is going on and what is the timing, right? My dear, if this will happen in the next class, no, then I will block the link. You will not able to join also. Because coming for 10 to 15 minutes just for the sake of attendance, there is no use of coming in the class. Okay. Now, both the cases of selling prices done in the case of profit and in the case of loss. Now, both the cases of cost price we will learn in the case of profit, in the case of loss. Finding the cost price when selling price is given. Yeah, can you, Tej Kumar will give me one example. What will be the selling price and what will be the profit?
Selling price will be 4,80,000
Yes.
and profit will be 2,25,000. Ma'am, so formula will be CP is equal to SP selling price minus profit.
CP के केस में प्रॉफिट माइनस होता है, SP के केस में प्रॉफिट प्लस होता है. This you can note it. So what will be the answer?
Ma'am, I am finding.
Okay. By the time you find the answer, I will ask the case of loss from Vedant.
Yes, ma'am.
Find the cost price, selling price is given to you, and the loss is given to you. Tell me fast.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, in this we have plus.
Vedant, wait. He is giving the answers. He is ready. Yes,
ma'am,
Tej Kumar.
answer will be 1,55,000.
One lakh. Why 1 lakh?
Ma'am, because we will cut 4
So 0 minus 0, 0. 10 minus 5 is 5. This will become 7 minus 2 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2.
Ma'am, so we will not minus 4 and 2.
Yeah, we will not minus.
Ma'am, we will minus not.
So what will be the answer?
2,55,000.
Yes, 2,55,000. Yes, wait a minute. Be ready, Vedant. Be ready with the next loss situation.
Okay, ma'am.
Fast.
Ma'am, can I say the question?
Yes, this was 2,55,000 was the cost price. Everyone clear with this situation?
3,000.
Yes, Vedant, tell me the you don't know the cost price, you know the selling price, and you know the loss. So tell me what is the selling price of your product, how much you have earned the loss.
Ma'am, the selling price is 3,000. 3,000.
3,000 and the loss is
Loss is loss will be 2,000.
how much. So how to find the cost price when the selling price and loss is given?
But ma'am, minus sim.
No, loss is given, you need to add
Okay.
when you are finding the cost price. So
Selling price.
selling price plus loss.
It will be
So what is the cost price?
5,000.
5,000. Clear, everyone? All the
Yes.
concepts of selling price, finding the cost price, finding the profit, finding the loss. Clear to everyone? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Open your textbook, page number 64. Now the concepts of profit and loss and money, which we have covered, we are going to cover in this. When you see the NCRT book, only one sum is given related to the concept.
Ma'am,
But
64 page number.
page number 64, yes. So when you see the NCRT book, you will only find one or two, no, some more, not more than that on the base of the concept. But we are doing in detail the concept of profit and loss, the concept of money, multiplication. We have covered the addition and subtraction of money, all the topics which we have covered in this topic. Now listen, everyone. I am going to take your CET tomorrow because we will complete this chapter today. I am going to take your CET of this chapter tomorrow. Prepare yourself. And today I am going to send you one revision worksheet with the answer key. Answer key is also there. First, you solve the sums and then check it with the answers, whether it is right or not. And prepare yourself for the CET tomorrow. Page number 64. We have already done this 22 kg 22 kg of plastic, and the rate list is also given. Here we will apply the multiplication method. But you have learned the unitary method. When you know about the one, you can easily find out for many. So 23 kg plastic, 1 kg plastic is already given in the list. Dhyan Patel, how much is the 1 kg plastic given in the rate list?
1 kg plastic. 10 rupees.
10 rupees. So 23 kg multiplied by 10, 23 kg का कितना rupees होगा?
Ma'am, it is 20.
Sorry, it is 22. Sorry, it is 22 in your textbooks. 22 kg plastic costs how much?
Ma'am, I think 22
No.
rupees.
Like how, bacha? Any number when multiplied by the number having zeros, only simply add the zeros at the back. 22 multiplied by 10 is how much?
22.
22 only. 22 multiplied by 1 is 22. And this 0 also will be added at the back. 220. Next is Viha. I will ask from you. 23 kg newspaper, waste newspaper, and what is the 1 kg newspaper, waste newspaper price?
₹4.
4. So what will be the price of 23? Find out and tell me. Fast.
92 rupees.
Very good. 92 rupees. Next is Niva. 12 kg iron. 12 kg को किससे multiply करूं?
12.
So what will be the answer?
104.
12 12
104. No.
44.
144.
What? Now children, please add it. And please do it either if you don't have space in the textbook, do it in the notebook. And if you see there is a textbook space, you can easily do, then you can do in the textbook. I don't have any option. I don't have any objection. You can do either in the textbook or either in the notebook. It's up to you. But please do. Don't sit simply. Don't look at me simply. Vedant, please write. Please write. And when you are doing in the textbook, please do with the pencil, not with the pen. When you are doing in the notebook, do with the pen. And now please add it. What is the answer? Total is coming. You know why I am telling you to add? Because in the green color or a blue color cloud, it's given. The amount which is coming total is greater than 600 or less than 600. That's why we are doing the total of this. Yes, Manya. What is the total coming?
Yes, ma'am. It is coming 466.
220 plus 92. 144.
466.
56 it will.
Ma'am,
Please check your
66.
answer. No, it
Ma'am,
will come
66.
56. Please check.
Ma'am, 56.
Okay, 50. Yeah. So now it is more than 600 or less than 600?
Less than 600.
So take the less than 600 in the cloud. Now children, we have covered the profit and loss concept. It will be used here on the page number 64. Next topic. Smart Kiran sells the junk. Kiran sells a junk to a big shop. She checked the prices on a mobile phone. Now, Kiran, when she is reselling this junk, then she is also earning a profit on this. And she is selling it to the Dino. And the rate list on which she is selling, it's given on the page number 65. अब वो दीनू को जितने में बेच रही है, वो जो रेट लिस्ट है वो पेज नंबर 65 पे गिवन है. Am I audible to you all clearly?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the rate list which she will follow according to Dino. Now we will see how much profit she is earning. Mute yourself, students, please. Divit, Danya, please turn on your camera and sit in the class. The rate list of 1 kg plastic is 12. So the cost of 63 kg plastic will be. So students, plastic according to Dino's price list. According to Dino's price list, find out the cost of 63 kg plastic. Because according to Dino's plastic, 1 kg is 12. So 63 का कितना होगा? Find out and tell me. $63 multiplied by 12.
My answer will be 62.
No, 63 multiplied by 12 is answer will be 62.
66.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Moksh.
Ma'am, the answer will be 756.
Yes. And here in the textbook, it is given according to the column method. You can do it with the column method also, you will get the same answer. Please, please, please note, when I will take your CET or I will take your any exam, until and unless it is nothing mentioned that you have to do which method, then you can apply any of the multiplication method. When it is clearly given, do it with the column method, do it with the traditional method, do it with the mental maths method, then you will only apply the method which is the name of the method which is given to you. Until and unless if that thing is given, you can apply, you are allowed to apply any of the method. But in exam, when they are asking about the specific method, then you will apply the specific method only. Am I clear to you all? Okay. So if you check this, you will get the same answer, 756. Turn the page, B sum. Now Kiran sells 32 kg iron. So find out the cost for 32 kg iron. What is the cost of 1 kg iron, students? 14. 32 का कितना होगा? 32 multiplied by 14. Find out and tell me the answer. I want the new names. I don't want the students, those who are every day giving the answers. Only they will give, others will quietly sit in the class. Danya and David, turn on your camera. Anne, Vedant, Niva, turn on your camera, please. Kevian, turn on your camera, please. Simply sitting in the class, and when call your name, you remove the class. Left the
Ma'am,
class
can
is
I
not the
say?
solution. Yes, 32 multiplied by 14. What is the answer?
Ma'am, can I say
440. Can I say, ma'am?
408?
448
8.
is in rupees, right?
Yes, ma'am.
But the cost of according to the Kiran's list, what is the cost of 32 kg iron? Because here the iron is only 12 rupees. Why are we doing? Because we need to find the profit. Because it's given on the textbook how much does she earn when she sell. Earn means the profit she is earning.
Ma'am, I can see
Yes, please say. 32,
264.
32 multiplied by 12. Wait a minute. 32 multiplied by 12. Please tell me the answer fast.
Ma'am, can I say?
No, I want the new faces, new students. I want Vishrut. Yes, Vishrut can give me the answer. Vishrut, please be little fast.
Yes, ma'am. 32 multiplied by 12.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm doing.
Today I will send you one Google form also and one revision worksheet also for the practice. Google form is based on finding the cost price, finding the selling price, finding the profit or loss. And the revision worksheet will be based on all the concepts which we have done till now. Please solve it for your practice because you have your CET tomorrow. So 32 multiplied
Excuse
by
me,
12.
ma'am. Can I say?
Yes, Kashvi, please give me the answer.
Ma'am, the answer of this is 384.
Yeah, 384 according to the price list of Kiran. 440 according to the price list of Dinu. So how much she is earning the profit? Who will find out?
Ma'am, the Renu is finding more profit.
But how much? According to Dinu's list, she is earning a profit because she is selling to Dinu. But how much profit she is earning? Who will tell me? Please raise your virtual hand. Yes, Danya. Your voice is not coming, Danya. Your mic is mute. Danya, can you give me the answer? Yes, Rajveer Nikhare.
Yes, ma'am.
How much she is earning the profit? Dinu, she has purchased from the other person at rupees 384, selling it to Dinu at 440. How much profit she is earning?
Ma'am, Renu is earning 64 more.
Yes. 448 minus 384 is the 64 rupees balance. This is the long method we have done, but you can do with the short method also. Just a minute. You can do it with the short method also, because Dinu's price was 14. Kiran purchased at rupees 12. 2 rupees more Dinu is giving on 1 kg. 32 kg पे कितना more देगा वो? 32 multiplied by 2 is equals to 64 rupees. This is also the easy method. Clear to you all? Now come to the question number C, students.
No, ma'am, I don't understand that the method of multiplication.
Okay, the easy one.
Yes, ma'am.
See, 1 kg cost was rupees 14 for the according to Dino. 1 kg cost was rupees 12 for the plastic, right? It was plastic thing. What was it? Iron. 1 kg iron according to Kiran was 14, and 1 kg iron according to Kiran was 12, because 12 and she has purchased from the other persons at rupees 12. है ना? So now Dinu is giving how much more to Kiran on 1 kg? Rupees 2. 14 minus 12 is rupees 2. Dinu is giving 2 rupees more on 1 kg. So when she sells 32 kg of iron, so on 32 kg multiply by 2 is 64. Got it, Moksh?
Ma'am, but I don't understand that only.
What you have not understood? Can you tell me which step is not clear to
32
you?
multiplied by 2 is equal to 64 rupees, but it is which
On 1 kg 2 rupees she is earning. So 32 kg पे कितना earn करेगी? This is 1 kg earning. And 32 kg, how you will find out? 32 multiplied by 2.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Only profit. So the profit is 64.
Okay, ma'am, I understand.
Now these sums you can solve it with the column method also, students. Same now come on the C question. The rate list of 1 kg newspaper is rupees 6. So the cost of 150. So 152 multiplied by 6. What will be the cost? Find out and tell me, students. Find out fast. And D sum also. What does the Dinu pay for brass for 4 kg? 4 kg brass, and what is the cost of 1 kg brass according to the Dinu's price? It's 180. Find out the price for this also. And you can do with the column method also, which is given on the pages, on your textbook pages. So you can apply any method, students, for finding this cost. Dania, 152 multiplied by 6 is what? And 4 multiplied by 180 is what? Students, please give me the answer. Yes, Moksh.
Ma'am, first one is 912.
First one is 912. Okay, rupees 912. And the second one is, students, 180 multiplied by 4.
Ma'am, Manya, may I?
Yes, Mania.
Yes, ma'am. 720.
180 multiplied by 4.
Ma'am,
720.
write this in the notebook only, na?
You can write in notebook also. You can write in textbook also. Page number 67. The questions which are given on the page number 67, I have already given you to do according to the column method. Everyone completed that?
Yes,
In the last classes I have given?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Completed.
Okay, come on the page number 67 about the money. About money. See, when you check 6 notes of 100, it's given in your textbook, page number 67, this list. So, 6 notes of 600 make Tej Kumar how much?
600.
600. So, 600 is already written. 3 notes of 150 Kashvi. 3 notes of 50, sorry. 3 notes of 50. Danya, 3 notes of 50.
Ma'am, 3 notes of 50, 150. Ma'am,
150, yes. Danya, now 7 notes of 20. 7 notes of 20, Vishruth.
140.
Yeah. So this way you can find, multiply them and find the total. It's coming 994. But you can see that it's written, Kiran bought some junk from the junk collector. She paid rupees 841. Now she is selling it to Dinu at rupees 994. So how much she is getting the profit from Dinu? 994 after multiplying all the notes which Dinu is giving to her. And she paid 841 when she had collected from the collectors. So the balance amount is 153, which is the profit. Profit for whom? For Kiran or for Dinu?
Kiran.
Jigar Singh, this is the profit for Dinu or the Kiran?
Dinu.
No, it's for Kiran. Because Kiran is selling to Dinu and Dinu is giving this price to Kiran. So this is the profit for Kiran.
Okay.
Now on the next page, same type of question is given. I want you to do by yourself at home. It is the same type of diary you have to make. Here the price is 919 is the price given total. And when she is selling it to Dinu, how much she is getting, and find out the profit, how much she is earning after selling it to Dinu. This is your home task. Okay, students?
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
On the page number 68, you in the money one, it is written 28 coins
It is 5 rupees coin. Please make it 5.
Okay, ma'am.
Please do
Thank
it
you.
5 rupee coin. This is the 5 rupee coin, 28 coins of 5. So please write 5. Because this coin is not visible to you all clearly, no? It's a coin, students. Okay, students? Thank you. Be prepared for yourself for test tomorrow.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.